Indian Premier League 2026 match number 38 Lucknow Super Giants vs Kolkata Knight Riders. Match played at Bharat Ratna Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee Ekona Cricket Stadium, Lucknow. Lucknow Super Giants won the toss, selected to field first. Kolkata Knight Riders 20 overs 155 runs lost by 7 wickets. Rinku Singh is the highest scorer, 83 runs, 51 balls not out. Then Lucknow Super Giants best bowling spell, Mohsin Khan 4 overs 1 maiden, 23 runs, 5 wickets taken. Lucknow Super Giants 20 overs 155 runs lost by 8 wickets. Rishabh Pant is the highest scorer, 42 runs, 38 balls. Then Kolkata Knight Riders best bowling spell, Vaibhav Arora 4 overs no maiden, 24 runs, 2 wickets taken. Kolkata Knight Riders won the super over in this match. Player of the match Rinku Singh. Congratulations Kolkata Knight Riders.